All right,
Okay,
yeah.
good. Good.
All right. Live account, or should I focus on the evals, or should I trade this live?
I will warm up in the
Gonna make
evals
some money
first.
today, though.
I will warm up in eval, but today's gonna be
It's a
green.
warm up.
The day's green today, baby. Be green today.
We can recover. We can recover most of that
I
drop
think so.
from yesterday.
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Fridays are notorious for being green.
Mm-hmm. And another reason why I say that is because of what happened with the PPI. It did something that I noticed, and I was like, okay, I saw that happen.
Let's talk about it. What did it do that you noticed?
Give me a second. I gotta see if I should. I saw a sweep liquidity. It was a liquidity sweep.
Okay.
So right now I'm in this long. I'm trying to see if I can get a retest of this high. Maybe, maybe not. But I'm definitely going long at this golden zone for sure going long at this golden zone. If price gets all the way down here. But I mean, we got VWAP, we got 21, we got the 50 EMA holding price up right now. So I took the bet on the 50 well, looks like my bet about to pay off, baby. Looks like it's about to pay off, baby.
Hey, just be mindful, okay? Be mindful. Just be on your P's and Q's, okay? Just in case of like a trap.
Yeah.
I know. Just in case. Be ready for the foolishness.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Oh crap! So
I gotta get.
Yeah, well.
Prepared.
All right, so I'm gonna take that off because I was in the wrong one. I don't know why I did that, but I was in the wrong one. I was in the Nasdaq 100, baby. So I only got 2 contracts, so I'm gonna reduce my risk on this one. Actually, I'm gonna put it at. I only got 2 contracts. No, ain't no point going negative on this. No point going negative because I think. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Because this does look like a double top. Does look like a double top right now. We do got this high right here, so they're gonna probably want to take out that high. I think. Oh shit! Let me tell, like, dude, last night, I was going through it, man. Dude, I was going through it. Or not last night, but after the stream. So I was talking to Brandon about this yesterday, but dude, I went full tilt. And when I said that I went full tilt, I haven't went this tilt in a while. That's just how bad it was. Now they got a hell of a lot of orders at. Oh, okay, never mind. I'm about to say, why the fuck they got so much orders at 900? Yo, they got a lot of orders at 890, 900. Yo, what's up with that? Yo, we pumping the 800, 900 today? Oh shit, we gotta have a runner just in case. Just in case we get that.
You see orders all the way up there?
Yeah, look, unless this is yesterday's book. Oh, this was yesterday's book bag. Man, I had the wrong book bag, but I was about to say, I was like, yo.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, that's crazy, dude.
Yeah. All right, y'all want to see something? Go look on Bookmap and look at 20,600. Hold up. All right, 20,600. All right. 20,600. Y'all there?
Yeah, we see it. I'm looking at it.
All right. How many orders is that 20,600? 76?
Yeah.
All right, watch this. Oh, they took it off. What? They take it off. Okay, they play it. Hold on. All right. Forget that. Let's try this again. It should pop up to 77. Why do you keep taking it off?
So get them.
They keep reducing.
So get that order out of here. Spoofing the market.
All right, forget it. I'll go to 500. 500 there. 500. All right, 64 at 500. Should be 65. There we go, baby. Yeah, that's me. That's how you know we live. I don't know what they're doing at 600. They kept playing around. I guess somebody took one off.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to let's go to fib. 85. Yeah, because it seems like they're having some trouble up here.
I'm gonna try. You gotta beware of traps today. Good morning, Alfred. Good morning. Okay, this was PCE or PC, whatever it was. PCI, PCE, whatever we had today. That was a big drop yesterday, so I do think we could see a pop at some point. But if we get continuation, though, I know what I'm looking for. Down in these 200s, I know what I'm looking for.
You know, the one thing that
I need. Yeah.
No, finish it up.
No, I need the King push chart to confirm it. Confirmation.
So it does look like we're in a downtrend. I mean, we do got that big red candle, so they might. There's a hell of a lot of buying though. You know what? I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try right here. I'm gonna try and just have my stop underneath this candle just in case. I'm trying because I don't think we dropped today, man. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Well,
Alright. Hold up to. I mean, it is Friday though. It is Friday. Let's see what they got today. You hardly see it in red Friday. They've happened, but it's like a rare occurrence.
Yeah. It's a rare occurrence. So, like I said, once I saw what I saw this morning with PPI, I'm convinced that the market is going to not necessarily, obviously not recover that entire move, but I believe that the move is going to be up to the upside, at least 590, at least 590 to the upside. That's what I'm going to be looking for.
You said at least where?
Around like 590.
590.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we doing today, ladies and gents? What are we doing today? What are y'all trying to do? You bold taking a position now. I mean, that's cool. I need to see where they trying to take this.
Well, you know what? Like,
feels like the. But I don't know.
If it's not going down, that means it's about to go up. If it ain't going down, that means it's about to go up, baby. You know how it goes.
Yeah. True. Somebody come out and say something stupid.
Yeah, I don't think we actually have nobody to come out and say anything stupid today. I don't think we got any real news. Real news. You know what, NQ? I don't even get affected by that. I don't care if you do stuff like that anymore. That no longer emotionally affect me. Oh yeah, so yeah, yesterday I went tilt, man. I spent like over $700 in accounts. I got like 10 accounts, yo, in MFF, and that's why it's so dangerous because it's cheap. It's cheap, and it's great for someone that goes tilt to just sit there and spend the money. And I definitely spent that yesterday, and I had to really sit back and ask myself, what the fuck did I just do? I got 10 accounts. I'm gonna pass all of them, obviously, but it's just the fact that I went that far and did that shit. That was crazy to me.
10 accounts is wild.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what sent me was, man, okay, I was going to accept the loss. I accepted it. So, I get into the 50K accounts on Top Step X so I can just kind of participate. And I'm sitting here making, like, dude, when I said that I made so much money in those 50Ks, like, that just pissed me off. And then I was like, fuck, let me go back into these MFF accounts and, get some more money in them so I can, pass it. Nah, I lost money in those. And that's what really sent me, is because I was like, fine, I blew the account. Or not blew the account, hit daily loss and fine. And then I get back into my Top Step X account and make more money. And it's like, yo, what the fuck? It just seemed like yesterday, I don't know what market demon I angered yesterday. Or maybe because they inversed me the other day and it was like, nah, we're going to get them back. I kept making money in the Top Step account. And I was losing money in the MFF accounts and it was just pissing me off. Like, you know how much money I made in Top Step? Like about 9K. Like, I was like, yo, what the fuck? Like, why am I making so much money? And I was longing. That was the thing. So it just kept pissing me off. And so I just went completely tilt. And I just had to sit back and be like, yo, you did it again. You know that little sobriety chip? It's been like 10 months since I went tilt. Yeah, I had to get back my damn shit. Yeah. And then the put the icing on the cake. The icing on the cake was so in the when I purchased my last MFF account, I was like, all right, relax, calm down, wait for the setup, blah blah blah. So I waited for the setup. I made 3K, and as soon as I hit 3K, I was like, all right, I'm gonna close it. Tell me why that, like how the limits would turn orange and I can't close the position. Tell me why I couldn't close the position. So I passed the account. I think I reached a high of 3,100. And then once it touched 3,100, I closed the account and it didn't close. And I was like, shit.
Oh, dang.
So I look back at my P&L. I went from 3,100 to 2,100. I was like, how the fuck did I just lose $1,000 like that? And I was taking screenshots. I was recording the screen and everything because MFF was about to give me my goddamn account because I was already, like I said, I was already till at that point. I was just completely pissed. And I was like, dude, what the fuck is going on? What is going on? And so I had to log in the Tradeovate because I had this problem before. I had to log in the Tradeovate just to close the entire position. And I was able to pass the account, but it was just the fact that, wow, out of all days for that bullshit to happen, it chose to happen on that day. Or at least, okay, so it's doing that. Oh, okay, I was about to say. Like, I wonder why it does that. And I guess I should have took this. Shit. Nah. I'll reduce my risk underneath here.
Yes,
You said what?
I was saying, what do you see?
Oh no, I was saying that I should have took that because she did that bullshit where my target was at 478 and she dropped at 477, like the.
Oh, that's dirty.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Oh, dang. I see it. Oh, I see your chart. Dang. Is this a good spot for me to get in on this?
No.
Get...
Well, okay, you trying to short it? Like I said, man, I don't think today's gonna be a red day, dude. I think they're going to at least get it to 590 today.
590.
You know what? I might add here. I might add here. We'll see. I try to get it as close to my break even as possible. Just add this.
Test
and I'll put this underneath here.
All right, let's check this out. We don't got nothing else today, right?
I don't think so. I think we got some consumer confidence at 9 o'clock, I believe, if I remember correctly. Woo! Woo!
Yeah. I moved my order out of the way just in time.
Woo!
Kind of don't want to test. Hold on, let me see how it's looking. Let me get right. I will.
Well, NQ, that was, like I said, that was real dirty what you did. Real dirty. I mean, do we? Are they going to go back to VWAP? That's the question. Are they going to bounce to that VWAP? So.
There's the clues. I need a clue in Q. Give me a clue. This does look like a good bounce area, but then if it flushes it,
Yeah.
and it's like, huh.
Well, so far, I mean, they are trying to buy it off of VWAP, but the question is, do they want VWAP?
Well, yeah, I hate this because it's like,
I mean, my bias is,
down. Yeah, yours to the upside.
Yeah, my bias is going to stay to the upside today until proven otherwise. I'm going to be a bull all today. Because, like I said, this looks like a good bottom. This looks like a good bottom. If you look at the King Push chart, I mean, look at it. We double bottom here. That's why I was like,
you're not wrong, but I'm just saying. All I'm saying is be adaptable today, just in case.
Yeah.
I haven't taken a position yet. I thought about getting in, getting in long, but I don't just yet. Let me see. Yeah, okay.
Wow.
Okay, back to highs. So you're taking this zone seriously.
Definitely taking this zone seriously. Well, I mean, I actually. Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, I missed the opportunity. Damn it.
Oh, you see it now? You see it?
Well, I see I see how it bottomed out. Yeah.
Yeah. Damn. That's why I was like, nah, today's green. We going like to at least 590.
I thought about going long at VWAP. I really did, but I was just like, I don't know.
Yeah, dude. See, okay, so you're trading your live account, dude. Warm up in your dude. I because I did this yesterday. Because I did this yesterday, I know exactly what you're going through. You're making. You don't want to lose the live account, and so now your emotions are dictating your trading decisions. Dude, the chart says that we were going long. That's why I went long.
Okay. So there's a few things dictating. Alpha said we got news at 10. Oh, that's the that's the Alpha either.
Yeah, that's the 9 o'clock algo.
So okay, I see a couple things here. Although this does look like a bottoming out, it does look like that, and it. But
we could see. Go ahead. We can definitely see a rejection at 530. We can definitely see our first rejection around 530, but you know they don't ever really reject it around 530. We could see. I mean, there is a golden zone at 550, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be like a prime area for the bears to come in and try. Yeah, like that 70, but I think 590 will be that number, man. I really think 590 will be. And then we can go higher than 590. I mean, that's like a minimum.
Yeah, yeah. Minimum expectation. Damn it! I should have took that VWAP entry. I didn't check the 4 hour. The 4 hour really does look like she about to launch.
Yeah.
She looked like she about to launch at 5:42 on the 4 hour. Like, maybe have a little bit of trouble at 5:15 first, get a little slight rejection, then continue. Damn it, man. But now I gotta wait for a little pullback so I could get in. I don't want to miss this boat, but what if it just keeps going up all day?
Yeah, you know how that goes. Man, I ain't playing that game with. Oh crap! I didn't know I had two right there. All right, I'm not playing that game with you.
I'll wait 10 minutes. I'll wait 10 minutes. Maybe we have like a little drop and I could get in. Yeah. Yeah. Damn.
Yeah, I think we can probably see like a reaction right here. And then probably like right there. There we go, baby. There we go. Man, nobody want to hear that loser shit. Nah, nobody want to hear that. Nobody want to hear that. Shit, no trade is a good trade. Turn off your charts and go home. Turn off your charts and go home. Nobody want to hear that.
Hey, it ain't loser talk if I ain't lose anything.
No. I'm talking about no trade's a good trade. Nobody want to hear that shit. No. Turn your charts.
I'm just saying for right now. I missed it. I know what you said. I missed it, but at least I ain't lose no money out of it. I got scared. I moved my entry down to go. I had it to go along somewhere around VWAP. That's funny. Too funny.
It's funny because it's true. Oh man. Oh, that's.
Damn,
you know
damn it, man. It's a good trade. Yeah. You can't lose money if you don't. Yeah, that's true. That's true. I missed that. Look at you getting up. You up 60 points and stuff. Nice.
100-point Sharn coming through. 100-point Sharn coming through, baby. 100-point Sharn. I'm already up 2K today, man. 2K.
Back to the vengeance, huh? Oh, you trade in minis, huh?
No, these are micros. These are micros.
Oh, those are micros? Oh, damn, okay. I saw a low contract count, so I thought they were regular minis.
Nah. Oh, so I didn't find out, but I guess so MFF actually, so the 50K starter packs, they actually scale you in the funded side too. I didn't know that they would do that. Yeah. I don't understand why they would, but yeah, man, I guess it's cool. I guess. Told you.
Oh, they scale you in the micros too? Like
it's like straight scale. Like I can only do like 10 at a time. Yeah, like 10 at a time. Like that's crazy. Give me my full 30.
All right, I'll put a limit at 500 because it'll probably retrace to 5, bounce, and launch. Hopefully. Let me. I want some of the ride. Actually.
I mean, you do have this. Like I said, they do have this resistance at 30. You do have this resistance at 30, but we might just actually just trade through that, honestly. Obviously not the first go, but
man, damn. I should probably with the hour, 4 hour, the 15-minute, they all look bullish as F.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's look at that hourly chart. Yeah, look at that hourly chart, yo. That green dildo up, man. And
that's my tree.
And what a coincidence. Yeah, it was Vivo was at the same place on the hourly chart too. It was at 420. 419, 420.
Yeah. Oh, that would have been a great entry. I thought we was gonna try to go back for King Push VWAP, or no, because when did it? I don't even know when it touched there. Even this is looking.
Yeah. So we talked about this entry. So I missed that. So I had my I was thinking about looking for an entry at 615. Man, we missed that by 3 points on the ES. If we were to catch that drop, I mean, I don't know why they stopped it at 18 though. I mean, I'm surprised they stopped it at 18. But we got 5.
Yeah, we just went up like 7.
Please don't start doing that. But you know what we did call out last night? Yo, that shit hit it to the T. Yo, it hit that shit to the T last night. We called out this gold play at 23.96 last night. Nice. Look at that. So if y'all took that gold play that we talked about in last night's NA meeting, this is up, well, at least for right now, 23.96. It touched a high of 24.10. So that was a great call out. That shit was perfect. Hit that golden zone perfectly and bounced. Hit it perfectly and bounced.
Is that in gold?
Yeah. Oh, I mean, isn't that ironic? Gold loves the golden zone. Who would have known? But that shit hit it perfectly and bounced.
Cool.
Yo, and dude, this shit played out perfectly. Cause I was like, man, people's gonna probably get in at 23.99, but they're gonna get their stops ran. They're gonna get the 23.96, and it did exactly that. Yo, I'm starting to really think like, because I have no emotional attachment with gold, and I really don't care about the results. It's like, dude, emotions are really bad for trading. It really is. Like, I haven't been wrong on a gold play yet because I don't care about it.
I don't care about it.
I just don't care about gold.
Wow.
I don't.
What's the CVD on?
It's positive. So we definitely have more buyers and sellers. So yeah, we might see this rejection here at 30, or we could just see a stop run going higher, honestly. Hopefully we get the latter. So it seems like yesterday's golden zones are still kind of working out somewhat. Nah. We about 15 points away from 100-point Sherm, baby. 15 points away.
Yeah, congrats.
Why do I, when you said that, that low four, that me?
Like, no, congrats.
No, I'm just saying, like, when you said that, it made me think of that. Yeah, nice. Congratulations.
Nice. Congratulations.
I'm happy for you.
Why did I inverse myself? Why did I do that? Why did I inverse myself?
Emotions, man. We're 5 points away from 100-point Sherm yet again.
Oh, this on here too. Yeah. 100 points on this 15-minute candle.
NQ, you gonna do me like that? You gonna do me like that? And 100 points. Oh wow. Oh wow. You know what? Maybe. Oh, dude, do you see that? Yo, look at that. Yo, that's so crazy. She's dirty for that. NQ, you're dirty for that, man. You're dirty for that. Whatever. You don't want to see nobody happy for real. All right, 100-point Sherm, baby. There we go. 100 points. So I'm gonna reduce my risk down to right here. Get majority of this move. Actually, I'll probably put it like right here underneath this fib. Because I wanted to hit this target for real. I want my 590 target. Honestly, we might, dude, if we keep going up, let's see. Where's 616 at? Can we get to 630? You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. You're gonna let this run a ride, baby. You're gonna let it run. You're gonna let it run. I mean, I don't think we get to because I mean there's gonna be resistance here at 616 for sure. 616, 620. There's gonna at least be some resistance. I am interested. Excuse me. I do want to see what they're gonna do here at 590 if we're gonna get like a drop or something at 590 or something like that. Damn, dude. Damn. Damn.
600. Wow. Like right there on the horizon.
Shit, your boy Sharon caught this shit out before it happened. Up 120 points right now on this move. Damn.
Oh, that's the 6-1. Oh, shit. 618. Oh, damn. And then we're coming into there too.
So 570. I mean 570. I mean, I guess. I mean, because there is some little bit of resistance. I mean, there was a bottom at around 580. So I'm guessing that we can start to see bears start to build positions in this area. We can start to see that possibly. I'm gonna still keep this contract up though. I'm not gonna let fear dictate my trading today. Mm. Oh shit. So we touched uh we touched this golden zone. Ah, there it goes. But let's just see. Because Smith, I know you're probably looking for a pullback, but price is obviously trending right now. Price is trending. So we may not even get it. Yeah, we might get price might get price to drop. And let's see if because they've already traded past the 21 EMA. Let's see if they can push it right back up. But then if they double top this and don't break this high, then we can possibly see a move back down. All right, so I'm gonna move my stop up to underneath this low. Because if it breaks this low, then we're going lower. And I got to start doing what Smith does and start protecting the gains instead of letting it come all the way back against me, I guess. I think that's good right there. So 48. Yeah, that's good. That's a good area right there. Because I want to be underneath the 50 EMA just in case they come back down and they bounce it off the 50 and it keeps going higher. Ah, shit. Hmm. If we get a break of this high right here, that means price is trending. If we get a break of this high and it collapses, then that could be a reversal. So we're just gonna have to pay attention to how price reacts on around this 221 EMA, and that's what we need to pay attention to. All right, here's a deciding factor right here. We can get a break, we're good. If not, then we should expect a reversal, or at least potential reversal.
Yeah, I effed up. Mistakes were made.
What are you talking about? Please don't tell me.
Mistakes were made.
Please tell me you didn't short this, yo.
Yeah, I did. I was tricked. I was faked out
By what?
down here. This nonsense. I don't know why either. I wanted a retest of 80s to get in long, and just because of that stubbornness, Struggle Friday. It should have been a free cash Friday. Sure, I should just hopped along with you. Went along for the ride. But
Yeah.
you're right, though. We definitely got to break this. Break
Yeah,
the ties to.
we got to break. Yeah. Okay. So I mean, technically, right now it's looking like it looks like they're gonna break through this, man. It's looking like they're going to. It's looking like they're going to, honestly.
Can we get much higher? 70, 73, 50, 75. 72.
Will Smith. I mean, you still good though, right? I mean, you good?
Yeah, I'm straight. I mean, I'm down, but I'm straight.
I mean, you know what I mean when you say you good. I mean, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I mean, you're not on tilt. I mean, dude, as someone that's a recovering tilt addict, someone that's recovering from going full tilt.
It was
not.
just,
Go ahead.
yeah. No, go ahead.
No, I was just making a joke. I was like, yeah, I understand, bro. It's hard to get out of that, man. It's hard. Well, it's not hard. It's a challenge because you've been emotionally hijacked, and it's just a challenge, man. It's a challenge. It's a challenge.
Yeah. 580. Yeah, 580. A little bit of a slap in the face at 580.
Yeah. Oh, you tried to short 580. Oh, yeah, nah. We broke this high. We're trending.
No, I didn't try. I didn't try to short 580. I'm just saying we just touched 580 and kind of got slapped a little bit.
Yeah, it don't matter. We broke this high. We trending. We're trending. We trending. Oh, never mind. I spoke too soon. It got that quick rejection at that 590. Well, 586 technically, but that 590, I think that was the target. Yeah, you can see it. Man, you can see it, dude. Fuck, you can see it. Shit.
Yo, y'all couldn't even. Yeah, y'all couldn't even tap me in. Of course you gotta like front. So you always got front. Thank you.
Yeah, you all got front right now.
Forgive it.
But we gotta break a structure though.
Run.
Yeah, we gotta break a structure though, so don't get trapped. Mm, yeah. Okay. So let's see if they're gonna bounce it off this 50 EMA. Let's see. But I kind of figured that they were going to at least try to offload some of their position at this 590 area. It was just excuse me, it was a good area for them to come back in and do it. Honestly, we had our breaker structure in that area, and remember, 580 was holding up this market for so long, so. You asked me, am I doing Top Step? No. I'm trading MFF. MFF is basically my new home until they change. Ah, I'm trading their 50K starter pack. But I do have one more Top Step X account that honestly I had a bunch of the Top Step X accounts for $75 and I just canceled those because MFF basically killed Top Step in all their their prop accounts. Yeah. So remember when I was like, Top Step is gonna have to respond? Did you get that? Oh, did you get that email from Top Step saying that they got some new things coming in store for us for traders? You seen that?
Oh, my bad. No, I must have missed it. What they say?
Hold on. What's going on? Is my chart frozen? I think my chart just froze. I think my chart froze. My chart is frozen. Yeah, this is the one thing that I don't necessarily care for with MFF. My chart freezes at points for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, okay, never mind. That was my fault because it was calculating. I was adding a new chart. They haven't said yet. They haven't said what they want to do yet, but so I'm trading NinjaTrader 8 on MFF. NinjaTrader 8. So if you want to trade on NinjaTrader 8 with MFF, you have to choose the NinjaTrader 8 platform, and technically it's through Tradeovate. So you can log into Tradeovate and trade your account, or you can log into NinjaTrader 8 and trade the same accounts. Lately, I've been having trouble trading on NinjaTrader 8. It's having a few glitches here and there where I can't cancel orders. So I would have to actually load up Tradeovate and cancel the orders there. So I think technically they're running it through Tradeovate, but since Tradeovate is owned by NinjaTrader 8, you can also trade from there too, and I think that's what they're doing. So with Apex, I don't mind trading Apex. It's just that for some reason they want to know who I am. I don't understand why. I really don't understand why they want to know who I am. They hit me with the identity thing, and I don't feel like going through that. So that's why I'm not trading Apex. But I kind of wish that I was able to pick up some of those 250Ks, but no lifetime. What's that thing called? But no lifetime fee at the end of it. That subscription fee that they got. That would have been nice to pick up a couple of those. He said, "Is that the only issue?" Yeah, that's the only issues that I have. I just have to just log in the Tradeovate, and sometimes I have to cancel my orders through Tradeovate. But other than that, everything is fine. Yeah, I think we're gonna see a retracement down to possibly 400 or 498. Yeah, I mean, because they rejected it off the 21. So let's see if they'll hold it. Oh, please.
Right.
Okay.
Damn. Yeah, this oh gosh. All right. Let me switch. Let me switch it up. Let me switch it up. Gosh. Why did I inverse myself? All I had to do was take it. Take that long down here.
Dude, what is it about when you get like, what is it? Every time you get into a live account, like, what is it, dude? Like, you gotta talk about it. Like, what is it? Does it become real money? I honestly, I think that's. I was like, when you was talking about, look at my account on Bookmap. I think that's what did it for you, because it's like, oh shit. I think psychologically now you're seeing this as real money. I think that's probably what it is, man.
Nah, it's not that. I second guessed myself from the jump. I missed that entry to go long, and then I get faked out right here, thinking that we get a little, and that would have only been 20 points. I was looking for like a little 20-point pullback, and then a pop.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I mean, we could see some support right here.
I was at break even too, but I didn't take it because then I was like, now I want my targets.
Yeah.
Now I want my target. Dang, man. I should have took break even, regroup. I don't know. I wouldn't short this. I wouldn't shorted this, but I could have regrouped and then went off from there. But
yeah.
All right. Yeah, it's all right. I'm switched. Like you said, I should have started. You did tell me to warm up. You said warm up.
Because you know you're gonna do good in the evals. You know you're gonna do good in it. Unfortunately, you warmed up with your live account. I mean, even the best athletes have to warm up.
I should have. I tried to go straight in and make some money today.
Mm-hmm.
I knew I should have went long too, but whatever. Mistakes were made Friday. All right, let's get in these. Let's get in this.
No, like I said, I'm not gonna let fear dictate my trading today. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. All right, so what I want to do though is let me see. All right, so 98. I want to give myself at least 100 points, but I want to stay in this trade as losses minus. So 48 plus 45. All right, so 93. There you go. I want to stay underneath these EMAs. I mean, like I said, I figured that 580, well, 590 would have been that level that they would come in. Obviously, they front ran that shit and they stopped at 86. Like I said, this was the level that was holding up the market this entire time. So bears being in this area was kind of expected. It was expected. The question is, will the market reverse from here and we see a down day, or will they actually come back in at some of these fib levels or the EMA? I mean, this is a good place right here. I mean, you can see some support right here. So they could find support here. I mean, if you look at the higher time frame chart. All right, okay, all right. Yeah. Shit. Yeah, so we got the 21 EMA at this 503. I'm pretty sure they'll probably come in at 500 for real, or somewhere close to it. Yeah, 535. That was a support area in the past. It does look like they're trying to find support in this area right now. So we'll see if this will hold up. Yeah, because they rejected it off of this yesterday. They came back in and rejected, and then we got a break above it. And so now this is technically a break, and this is a retest. Technically, this is a break, and this is the retest of that level. So we could see some bulls coming back in to at least double top this. and possibly we can get to the 638, possibly hit my target, or at VWAP up here. We can possibly see that. But if the bears hold this off, we can definitely see possibly a double bottom or a move back down to 376 if they don't hold this level right here. I mean, if I feel like if they break this, I mean, we could see a bounce at 456, but I mean, I guess you could bounce it here as well. But I think the better price would be down here at 376. But they are holding that 530 level, so at least they're holding that for now. Yeah, bro, this shit bounced off to the 23% almost to the T, bro. Almost to the T, it bounced off of it. Kind of wish I added to this position, but I'm not gonna add. Like I said, I'm already up like $2,500 right now, so I'm just gonna just chill out. All right, so now the test is going to be, will the bears come in here? And are we going to protect this high at 586? That's going to be the question. It's Friday, so I do expect for us to break this high, but we still have to be mindful that the bears were able to take the price down here. So we have to still respect the bears until we run their stops. And then after we run them stops, we don't have to, we can possibly see a push back down to this 580 to 570 level. And then we can see a move up from there. $30, $40, $25. I appreciate that, Maui. Appreciate that. It's interesting. We might be reaching here. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. So price is in this range right now. We're in this range. So we definitely got a strong low here. Right here. Definitely a strong low. We got price trading into a range. We had a full rotation of this range right here. So yeah, the bulls are definitely going to have to hold the bottom of this range right here. They're going to have to hold this. If we see a flush, we could see a double bottom here, which honestly I I wouldn't think that they would double bottom all the way up here. I think we'll probably get a flush down. But if they can hold this and we can break out, that's exactly what I'm going to be looking for. Definitely what I'm looking for. But something is telling me that this they got this 200 EMA here for a reason. But hey Smith, how you feeling right now? What are you going through emotionally, mentally? What's up?
Honestly, just missing that first move that I should have been in on, and got caught up on a little 5 minute. I think that was a 5 minute chart fake out. He wasn't real. And yeah, I've just been chasing. I was at break even in the live. I could have took break even, but I didn't. I should have, but I didn't. And then now we're here. Now I'm in these evals, looking for a few points. Looking for a few points.
Okay. So, I mean, if you're long, it does appear that they're holding it up. It does appear that they're holding this range up. It does appear so.
Yeah, we could freaking just break above 60. Dang.
I think we got it. Because I think we're gonna break it. We're breaking this for sure. Hold on, give me a second. I'm driving.
You're well defending 60 right now. I do not know.
Just talk, bro.
Yeah, I should. What? It's not looking good if you can't break this right now. So I need y'all to break this. If you're not gonna break it, just let me know.
If they're gonna break it, bro. If, like I said, with the NQ, if they haven't dropped it, it's going higher. I mean, I know that sounds simple, but there we go, right there. As soon as we say it, if they haven't dropped it, they're going higher. That's because you know the Nasdaq will crash. I mean, it will. So
Yeah.
they just needed that liquidity for that stock run higher. And now we're back at this golden zone.
80, 80, 80, come to you. You can drop it down to, so I dropped it down to 522. This ain't even bittersweet. This is just bitter.
You made money in your eval, didn't you?
The evals, yeah. I don't know what I was doing, what I was thinking.
Yeah.
What were you thinking?
All right, we hit that 590 target. There we go. Minimum. That's the minimum. That's the minimum I was looking for today. So now that we touched that, if we can trade above this level, if we can trade above 590, we're good. We're good for higher prices. We can possibly see the next levels will be about 630, 640. Let me actually look at that. Yeah, our next level could be that 620 level. I mean, that's probably where we're going is 620. We got a high at 649. They may want to try to protect that. They may want to protect that. But
All right, how does my chart look like on a 5-minute chart? I'm curious to see. Sweep of liquidity, grabbed it. Wow. Y'all couldn't have did this initially? Dang. Y'all could have. Oh, yeah, they don't do that, though. That's not how they operate.
yeah.
So I should have known. All right, I'm all out.
All right, so this is gonna be the deciding factor. I mean, this is definitely gonna probably bounce here. It's gonna probably bounce if we get like for them to come back in here.
Damn. Look at her go. It's so beautiful. 150. Market's up 150 some points.
Huh.
I mean, I get it. Yeah, I get it. I see. I'm better.
Yeah, they're just eating through this, man. They're just eating through it. Nah, Bears, y'all get one day.
Bitter. One day.
Y'all get one day. I'll get one fucking day, yo. One day. That's all the Bears get. It's one day.
Damn. Damn, man. They, So does take profit have a trailing drawdown? They have in the evals, it's what, end of day? In the evals, I believe.
Mm-hmm.
But once you get funded, it's live trailing. It's kind of.
Is it live trailing for real? Really?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you got to make it to the.
Again? In the live account? They do that to you twice?
No, not the.
Not you talking
live,
okay.
Live. Send live.
Okay. Okay. I was like, dude, it's like, man, how many times you gotta do that? That's crazy.
No, though. Yeah. No.
Nah. I'm gonna leave this right here. I'm gonna leave it right here. Yeah, but I think I mean, how far can this thing go? How far can this thing go? How far can this thing
I was
go?
looking trading view. There probably would be some stuff around 648, 650, some 650s.
And ES is literally, oh shit, ES is at its highs. Oh shit.
Damn.
Yeah, ES is at its
like highs or yeah.
Yeah, well, not highs from yesterday, but that place where it broke.
Yeah.
So ES and Nasdaq is at that same breaker structure. They're gonna need to break it. I don't know if this is gonna be a bear trap. I don't know if this is gonna be a bear trap.
It looks strong on ES though. ES looks stronger.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Well, I say that, but ES didn't really drop the Q in comparison to the Q yesterday.
Yeah, so because if you see this, I mean, this is my concern. I mean, the Bears are gonna have to hold this. If you look on the ES, they're gonna have to hold it.
They run. Yeah. And Y'all ain't had to do me like that in my life. I ain't had to do myself like that. Now y'all just going. You know this makes me want to revenge
trade. Revenge trade.
And continue going on the outside. So
Trade.
definitely take a look. You know, this is that area that we want to pay attention to. Actually, let me stand corrected, but yeah, somebody was mentioning level. So right here, level that they might be recommending or mentioning like a 50% retracement or something of the sort. But as you can see, we're almost there.
See, that's probably why I'm prepared today. Okay, I'm prepared.
For sure. We'll go ahead and put these times back to the 1 hour. So this will always be the 1 hour time frame. So that way we can make use of the cumulative volume delta on this chart, which helps us identify divergence in the.
What the heck going on?
And QU4.
Okay. I just wanted to see what he was saying. All right, so yeah, so with the ES, we definitely have to get over that. So you gotta get over 680 on the ES, and on the NQ, your boy up 180 points, baby. Can we get much higher though? Can we get much higher?
Yeah. Rats.
180 points.
God. Dang. All I had to do was get in the rocket ship with you, take the long, and enjoy the ride. Damn.
You know what we gotta do, right? You know what we gotta do, right?
Damn. No, we gotta do.
You gotta take the screenshot. You gotta take the screenshot.
Take the screenshot. I'm gonna close it down for the day. That's just dirty. Up 100 points from where. More than 100 points from where it freaking dropped at. Dang. Nasty
Gotta
work.
take the screenshot, baby. All right, so I'll definitely be promoting that promotional material. Is your boy gonna get 200 points? Is your boy gonna get 200 points? Is it gonna be 200 points Sherm today? I had to make up for yesterday, man, because like I said, my performance yesterday, I couldn't. I had to look myself in the mirror yesterday. I was like, who the fuck are you? Who are you? I don't know who you are.
I don't recognize this person.
I don't know who you are.
It's crazy.
Yeah, of course she's gonna do me like that. Of course she will. Of course she's gonna do me like that. You said 684. I was actually looking at that 684 as well, because I think that was like VWAP yesterday or something like that. That's where VWAP was. Actually, VWAP was around 644 at the close. So I'm going to make the assumption that that's probably where they're going to want to. Probably where they're going to try to dump it, or at least unload on everybody else. Why was that? Why was it giving you the finger? Yeah, I know a lot of people got caught up yesterday because yesterday was definitely out of nowhere. And as a bear, I think that's why I was like, I don't know who the hell you are. You're a bear. You don't let these bulls convert you because your bearish thesis don't work out no more. You got converted?
He's about to convert me. I renounced my bearhood, my bearship.
Yeah, he said as a former bear. As a former bear. That should be your catchphrase as a former bear as you take a short.
I know, right? Oh, so stupid.
So this is a runner contract, Maui. I already made a majority of my profits today. So this is just an ego trade, honestly. This is all this is. It's an ego trade. But if we do get a drop, I want my 200 points though. Baby, you gonna give it to me or not? Ah, baby. Ah, baby. Ah, come on. It's just only 9 more points. You can do that. All right.
Dang. Yeah, I hate when they be. Whoa! Look at Bookmap. Look how many orders sitting at 950. No way.
Yo, 950.
No.
Yo, okay, so
950.
yo, if that shit actually comes to fruition today, if that comes to fruition today, you know what? I'll move my last target to 950. But we ain't getting up there, dude. There's like, well, dude, it's still 9 o'clock. Do we still have enough time today to do it, though? We still have time in the day to do it.
You make it a believer.
Yo, we still got time to do it. Should I do it? Yo, we doing it, baby.
Yeah. Nah, you tripping.
Hey, Bookmap wasn't lying yesterday. Bookmap was not lying yesterday. We was like, ain't no way that shit touch it. Where was it at? Like at 800?
Yeah, it was at 800. You right. you right. That would be such a slap in the face to the Bears, though, if they recovered all the way. Like, no way. You think they would do something?
You said what?
Something that reckless?
I wouldn't put it past them.
That'd be a slap in the face. Yeah, it'd be a slap in the face to the one day that they got, to the Bears got. Yo, that's crazy.
7:30. Yeah, I was actually thinking 7:30. Actually, I was really thinking that we might get to 7:30 for real today. Cause dude, if we break 7:30, that 950 level, yeah, that's definitely in play. If we tap into 7:30 and we trade above that 770 level, because remember 770 was that level that if we got over yesterday or the day before that, we had that stop run higher. And so I'm assuming, I'm going to make the assumption that there's going to be bears sitting there. I'm going to make that assumption. At least 7:30. At least 7:30. So we will see. Well, I think I got my 200 points. Yeah. No, she cheated me a quarter. Typical NQ. But honestly, if yeah, that's 7:30. I think we're touching 7. You know what? Instead of just talking about it, I'll do 7:20. I'll do 7:09. If we get to 7:09, or no, 6:90. 6:90. Because we're trending. I mean, we're definitely trending. We got the cross and we're trending. So we are definitely going higher. We're just going to keep riding this trend until it ends, I guess. And like I said, Smith, if it ain't going down, it's going down. Remember when someone was like, look at Sharp talking shit. Hey, I watch the markets. I've noticed that if the market does not crash down, that means it's going up. And because we all trade the Nasdaq, we know that when she gets to resistance, you know she crashes. You know that they don't hold it up for real. So if the market is holding up in an area where there should be bears, then I would be mindful that you're not getting trapped to be used as liquidity, because she does the same shit all the time. And I think that's it. Did she cheated me out my 200 points again? And there we go. 200 points, baby. There we go. 200 points. There we go. We broke it. But I'm gonna go to the higher time frame and kind of show y'all guys what I'm talking about. Turn that off. Okay, so yeah, we see VWAP is right here. So actually, I might actually get out. Actually, I might get out of this. Actually, I might get out of this because we are in an area of like pure resistance, and then you got VWAP literally right here. We can possibly see a reversal, but actually, let me just do that. Let me just VWAP is at 662. I'll put it at I'll put it right here. I'll put it right there. Let me make sure we turn this chart trader on. Yeah, I'll put it right here. I'll take this. I mean, it might, like I said, it might go up a little bit higher, but I'm not going to babysit this position all day. I'm just going to take the win for the day. I needed something like this from yesterday. Poor performance from yesterday. But actually, what I probably might do is actually do this and just trail. All right, let me do this. I'll put it right underneath this candle right here.
Yo, if it were to get to pretty good 950 would be crazy.
Yeah, it would be.
That would be insane.
Yeah, I'll just keep it right there because they might try to. I mean, we would need to break VWAP on this higher time frame chart, man. We would need to break it. We need to break it for sure to keep going up higher. Gain weight, sing it with me. Can we get much higher? Oh, game, where them orders at, man? Where them orders at? Where people got their orders? Yo, that 950 level would be absolutely insane today, yo. That would literally be a full retracement of this move. Dude, we can do it, man. It is still, the day is still young and it's Friday.
Do it. Yo, that would be wild, though.
And this is the thing about the NQ right here. This is why trading the NQ is dangerous, because that target will keep going up until it don't. It'll keep going up until it don't. So 706, I mean, can we get to 700? Dude, we're like 50 points away from it. We're so close to it. Okay. That's me the first year that I blow. Gameway says take your sell order up to 2100.
Wow.
Ah, ah, so they did come in at VWAP. Shit. They did come in at VWAP. And they came in VWAP heavy too. They dropping it. Dropping it. I'll keep it right here. I'll keep my stop at 32. Or yeah, might as well just keep it right there. All right, so yeah, they are dropping it at the VWAP. All right, so this is what I was going to show you guys. What I'm looking at on the higher time frame. We do have all this resistance in this area. I mean, at least right here. We've blown past it. This does appear to be a liquidity sweep right here. It does appear to be one. But we can still see that the bulls are holding it up. So we're just going to have to be patient on this one and see what they do. But they're definitely holding this this move up. I do see some overhead resistance here at, actually let me do this at 60 or 680. And then on top of it being an area right here of potential resistance, we do got this break right here. You can see that price made this up move, creating that low, and then we got that break from here. And they may be trying to protect that high, at least for right now. So you have a lot to consider. I mean, obviously, this is a good position. Obviously, I have my stop majority in profit, so I'm gonna see what happens with this one. But there's a lot of things to consider because I mean, yeah, we still have a bullish move, but technically, I mean, it won't be a lower high until it comes back all the way up here. So, I mean, if you look to the left, I mean, we do have a head and shoulders pattern here at 77. Or 790. Somewhere in this area. And then we got this range. Yeah, so we got this range right here. So let's see. Let's see if price is going to get up to, yeah, just like you say I'm just scared getting weight? Nah, I'm not scared. I ain't scared. I'm just being mindful because we all know that the NQ will have you moving your targets up, and then before you know it, you're in the red, chasing back your profits. And we know that she'll do it. All right, so nah, I can't do that. I can't do that. Oh, I can't do that. Might find support right here. All right, but we'll see. We'll see what they do. See, put my thing underneath the fib. So there's a fib right there. So I'll put it right here. 609. I think that's good. Oh shit, and then that's the golden zone too? Okay, so I'm definitely going to keep this here and see what happens. But they are rejecting it off the 23%. Mm. So if you look on Bookmap, the momentum has somewhat shifted to the bearish side. You can see that the bears are gaining a little bit control. I mean, you can see that on your charts as well. But if you look at the hourly chart to the left or to the right side of the screen, you can see that the bears are starting to come in. The bulls are probably taking their profits at VWAP, as I should have did. Hold on. Oh, that's MES. I was like, what the hell? Oh. Yeah, and they're selling it at the yeah. Yeah. All right. No. I'm trying to put my stop in a good area to where if we do get a drop, my stop won't get taken out if it does pop back up, but at the same time, protect as much of the profits as possible. That's obviously a hard task. That's obviously a hard task. Hmm. Well, it's not hard for you, Mister. I have my own account, and I can hold positions overnight. I wouldn't be surprised if gain weight is still. He has a position open all the way down here in the 17K. I wouldn't be surprised.
That would be wild.
I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, we definitely gonna need to break over this 660 level, but the market hasn't dropped yet, so you know what that means if it hasn't dropped. Pop. Are you short this or are you long?
I got
Okay.
it along.
Oh, you're-
Just going for a few points.
Yeah.
Just a few points.
Pain points, huh? Okay. Yeah, gain weight. Yeah, I was seriously thinking about what you said because and with Smith, yeah, he's in a live account. They got his orders obviously funneling through the quote unquote real markets, but it's still a simulated account. And now that we really think about the mechanics behind that, how do they separate that? And I highly doubt that they do. So yeah, I think simulated traders. I mean, how else would you explain the market shooting up like this, the way that it's been shooting up, if they're not letting these simulated orders act as real orders in the market? Because the market, I mean, after a certain while, the SPY started trading like a meme stock. I mean, yeah, the market goes up over time, but basically SPY, ES, and the Nasdaq. Well, the Nasdaq's always been like that, but it's trading like a meme stock. Well, I guess you can't really trade simulated order with SPYs, I guess. Yeah, I'm starting to see that. I'm starting to really believe that that's actually what's going on, gain weight. I really do. I really do. Because as I said before, a lot of the prop firms use that sim to fund its solutions. A lot of them do. And you can see that the markets, or at least if there's slippage in a simulated environment, that means it's not a simulated environment. If there's slippage, why am I dealing with slippage if it's all simulated? I should be able to get in where I get in no matter how volatile the market is. And yet we don't see that. We see a lot of slippage. Y'all saw that on stream with CPI, or not CPI, but non-farm, where I put my entry underneath the range and I had a fill all the way at the bottom of the move. So I really am starting to believe that, gain weight, honestly. Hey, Smith, can we get much higher? Are we going to 950? Are we going to 950?
950. Freaking ridiculous.
Are we going to 950? That's the question.
I do anticipate something like that.
Well, I don't know. We just kind of
Maybe
go ahead.
800s, high 700s, 800s. Sure.
Gameway says if he's trading live and we're trading in a simulated environment, why does our tilt actions affect him? I mean,
Hilarious.
technically, I mean, this does look like a double top right here, man. This does look like a double top. This does look like a double top right here.
That's what's stopping us.
If we can get a strong close above this this high right here, we're definitely going higher. We're definitely going higher if we do. This is not. We continue to path up. I mean, looking at the performance of these golden fibs and the 23%, they've definitely been breaking out. They've been rejecting at the golden fib, bouncing at the 23, breaking out the golden fib, using it as a launching pad, and we've been moving up. Yeah, we're trending. Yeah, we should be good. We're trending. We broke this high. We're trending. I mean, we've been trending, but that kind of confirms that the market is still willing to trend to the upside.
Wasn't a very strong break, though.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, because like I said, I really want to see what they do at 680. 680 might be that and then yeah, you can see it if you look at Bookmap, they got hella orders at 680. Hella orders there. Yeah, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. Yeah, they break that 625 level. No, I don't think so. Huh. You know, that would absolutely be crazy. Wouldn't that be crazy? You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? They ain't got them orders up there at 900 for no reason. Huh. They don't got it up there for no reason.
You think so? I mean, they even loading. Well, not saying loading for the NQ 27, 25. So I think we at least go up to the 700s at minimum. They might attack this eventually at some point.
Yo,
Let me see.
if they get over that, if they get over that level again, we can definitely see this move up. I'm looking at this chart right now and I'm like, man, if they keep pumping it the way that they do, and this is like I said, this is the trap with NQ because she'll just pump like this and out of nowhere just she be fucking with your with possibilities, like your hope. He's like, yeah, I can get up here. Yeah, put your order all the way up here. I can get here. I can do that. And then she'll get like a tick at your target and then drop. Like the devil that she is. Huh. Yeah, because if we can get over it's set like so if let's just say that the market continues to pump past this resistance area. We all know that the bears are in this area trying to short it. If the bulls can push past this area, we'll just see a stop run higher. And we already know the stop runs are on NQ is relentless. Relentless on NQ. So if we can get above this level at 660 and then tap into that 730 level, if the price can trade past 730, we can see a stop run higher to that 800 level at least. At least 820. At least 820. Like we did 2 days ago. We can at least see that.
So,
I already did that game weight. My stop is underneath that double bottom at 628. And I'm just thinking about the possibilities. And this is why I prefer to trade NQ over ES any day. I mean, ES did make a massive move from obviously this lows. I mean, ES traders, man, I kind of wish I was in this, but I didn't think the ES was going to do this. But the ES definitely came back. And ES is at resistance right now. This would be, oh crap. This would be a great risk reward short on the ES with the stop above the high. But I mean, I wouldn't short it, but this will be a great risk reward short. Yeah, but I wouldn't short this. The structure does not suggest that it's much a short. The only reason why I would say this is a good risk reward short is because it's coming up into previous resistance. But with all this bullish momentum, yeah, I wouldn't short this for real, for real. And this is the resistance that I'm talking about. It's coming back into that breaker structure right here at 86, 87 on the ES. You see them arguing over at on Bookmap? I think on Bookmap.
Are they? No. What they arguing about?
A lot of people see this is how you can no game weight is shorted because it's at resistance. They're arguing because they're saying that people are fighting against the trend that are long right now. I mean, overall trend is bearish, obviously, but they're arguing, talking about yeah, you got in short way too early, simulated liquidity, blah blah blah. Man, that's not fair. It says, then you sold way too early. You should have stopped giving advice and telling people how to trade.
What are you talking about? Someone in there said that.
Yeah. I guess somebody was saying that they should long this or short it or something as it went up.
Short it as it went up. Oof. No, don't do what I did too soon. Don't do it. Okay, push that to 5250. 5250.
Mm. Oh yeah, Top Step is talking about having a reset bank to where you don't have to use all your resets because when they give out when they give out those resets, those fire drills or whatever, they give you like a time limit to use it. Which I mean, we all know why they do that. So people can. Well, I mean, it don't make sense for them to do that because if the idea is to get people to hurry up and kind of gamble, excuse me, so they can just use the reset. I mean, because I guess strategically people would just use the reset to gamble. If they blow the account, they'll just reset the account and it trade normally as they did. So I mean, is it to get people to start gambling or something? I don't know. I don't know what it is about the time limit of why they put a time limit on when you can use the resets, but someone asked in the comments, does Apex still exist? They're saying, what's going on with Apex today? So what's going on with Apex?
I have no idea. Like I said, I stopped dealing with them. I'll put them on the do not recommend list. Especially with all the latest antics that have been going on with them. He said, you didn't want to tell me they shut down a Discord. I was like, nah, no way.
They definitely shut down their Discord. It's no longer there.
That's crazy, yeah. Red flag. If anything, if you ain't been seeing the red flags, definitely in the red flag situation.
All right, so let's see if this is a sweep of liquidity or if this is a real drop.
Yeah. They're selling EQ, they're selling. Yeah. Jeez. Get off.
Hopefully this is just a sweep and we can keep going up. Come on, Bulls. I mean, but like I said, man, we was in an area of heavy resistance. So, I mean, I kind of figured that he was going to get this drop. I knew he was going to get this drop. He was in supply. I mean, unless they hold it here, and then we definitely going to see a drop. Yeah, I definitely agree, Trey Bum. Top Step, yeah, that's why MFF has kind of made them irrelevant right now. They have to adjust again, unfortunately. They have to adjust if they want to survive. But yeah, I don't know what it is about why they think that that reset policy that they have, especially for the 50K, makes sense. But people still buy it, so I mean, I guess I stopped buying it. Oh, well, not that I stopped buying it. I wouldn't buy it. I would always buy the 150K. Maybe that's what people. Maybe that's what they want you to do. I mean, yeah, you'll spend $50 on the 50K, but they really want you to spend money on their 150Ks. That's what they want you to do. So I think they got it priced that way, so it just makes sense in your mind to just buy the 150K because technically it's true. Why would you buy the 50K account when the reset is $150, the activation is $150, just to have $1,000 of daily loss limits for 2 days? And we know if you're trading the Nasdaq, that's gone in 2 seconds. But if you're trading gold or if you're trading commodities, anything above that 50K, in my opinion, is too much. Commodities are not that consistent. Actually, speaking of commodities, let's actually look at that gold play. Let's see how far it went. Look at that. And we called this shit last night, baby. So that move at 23.96 right now, the high is at 24.18. Now, this could be a good area to go short on gold, actually. This is a good area to go short. It's at this neckline of this breaker structure. We may see them try to sweep up liquidity some more, but this is a good short, and we can possibly get back to this 2407 somewhere in this neckline. Maybe they want to protect that low. They definitely going to want to protect this low right here. We may see a double bottom, or we may see them come back at this little neckline at 2407 somewhere in this area for that move to the upside. We can possibly see that. But with commodities, what's more likely to happen is actually that double bottom, actually. What's more likely to happen is a double bottom. If the bears are actually here and they want to short this area at this high, at this neckline right here. So we'll see. But that was a good trade. You said crude the same as NQ? You know, I feel like, so honestly, I really don't know why I stopped trading crude. It just gets, it's just too inconsistent for me. Once they started doing the good price action at 2 o'clock in the morning, I just stopped trading it because I'm not ever going to be up at that time to trade. But the CL can definitely move like NQ when it breaks out and it stopped running higher or lower. But most often, CL trades in a range for the most part. And that's why I stopped trading CL, because she's just too rangy. And she likes to make, before she makes the real move, she'll range back and forth 4 to 5 times and then make the real move. And you just kind of get tired of that, or at least I did. That's why I kind of stopped trading CL. But let's actually look at that. I do want to see where it is. Yeah. Yeah, CL was really good, man. CL was really CL. So before the Ukrainian war with Russia, CL, I was actually going to drop NQ and just trade exclusively CL because it moved like it used to move exactly like ES with the structure, and then we've got a breakout, it would trade like the NQ. And it was just a perfect blend of both worlds. And you can have one contract with a 27-point stop with 60 to 90 points in profit, have a 1 to 3 trade, and you had so much room for error. At least how I trade CL it was so much room for error. I have 27 points of risk, and I will only lose $270. That's so good. And once it moves in the direction, it doesn't pull back, so you don't have to worry about that back and forth like the Nasdaq. But once she gets to her destination, she will reverse. You just have to realize that. And she doesn't overshoot or undershoot. She'll get to her target and she will reverse. But now she doesn't trade like that anymore. Or at least the last time I looked at her, she doesn't trade like that. We can actually look at a chart real quick. Would it be? Let me see. Index, futures. Are we with that? I'm going to put it at 1500 because I don't want to. I'll probably put it like 18 days. Also saying something, so I'm going to see what he's saying.
Yep, I got paid too. Made.
Okay. All right, so CL. Let's actually look at the golden fibs and see if the golden fibs actually work on CL as well. Because I mean, if it does, then I wouldn't mind doing that with CL. But I mean, just right off the bat, I mean, I do see that there's a range right here. I do see this range right here. And once we got a breakout from this range, that's when she starts to trend just like the NQ does. But you can see that before she'll break out, she trades in this range like the ES. So CL is definitely a good middle between between ES and the NQ. And as you can see, once it reaches its target, does she play around? She does not play around. Once she gets to support, she goes back up to resistance. She doesn't play around. You will get left. Now, you can see that this little consolidation area right here, they bounced it right off it. So this is the main reason why I enjoy trading CL, is because she is a technical analyst's dream instrument. You don't have to worry about none of the bullshit. As long as you trade her in a technical way, you'll be very profitable with CL. Actually, Top Step, I'm surprised they didn't give me like as much as they talk about CL, and most of them are CL traders, I'm surprised they didn't say, hey, you're awesome at CL, because my accounts would be perfect with CL. The only thing, like I said, is bad with CL is because she doesn't move. And you have to catch her when you catch her. And she likes to move around 2 o'clock. And she doesn't like to finish the move throughout the day. Usually she likes to continue. So as an example, clear all this out. As an example, just imagine that this is one day. And obviously the best entry would have been the previous day to get in, obviously. But she'll continue like the next 2 days, and you have to find a good entry. And that's what I didn't like about her when she started to trade crappy and not finish moves in the one day. And then you have to wait till the next day to get into the move and hope that she doesn't retrace just to go back up. So I was like, I don't have to deal with that. And then you do all that work for only $900 or $600. Yeah, it wasn't worth it. You traded it for a week. So how did you feel when you traded it? Did you feel comfortable trading her, or you did say that you want to go back? I mean, if you trade Nasdaq the same way as if you would trade ES, if you trade it the same and wait for the entries versus getting in as she's running away, the Nasdaq can be very it's not as nerve-wracking if you trade her like you would trade the ES. I mean, if you saw this on the ES, would you try to chase this on the ES? No, you wouldn't. Because you know that the ES will possibly double bottom or whatever before making the real move. But on the Nasdaq, she'll get you chasing the highs because of all the momentum. She'll get you trapped high, and then she'll double bottom, and she'll move up. I mean, that's what the Nasdaq does. But if you don't get caught up emotionally in the Nasdaq, then oh, you was telling me to trade CL for a week? No, I mean, yeah, I used to be like I said, I was a big CL trader. Definitely a big CL trader. Sometimes I do go back to her, but she's just too inconsistent for me. I mean, like I said, I love trading this CL. I love trading her. I wish she would go back to that price action. I really wish she would, because I would trade CL and not necessarily the Nasdaq anymore. So all you traded was CL? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Once you get a taste of the Nasdaq, you don't go back. You become addicted to the NQ.
I just saw his comment.
You don't go back.
I can't believe she'll have you in her chokehold for sure.
My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. I mean, here's the difference. I mean, how many times have this is a question for you, Smith. How many times has the NQ burnt you? That's hurt your feelings.
So many times.
Okay, all right.
It's really a relationship.
All right, and here's the difference. How many times has CL burnt you?
CL burnt me, that one time?
That one time, huh?
I was kind of I was treating it like it was NQ. Like, oh, it could go. We back. I'm thinking we're back.
I'm thinking we're back. Did you go back to CL?
No. I ain't with this.
That's the difference. That's the difference, yo. NQ has hurt so many people, dude.
I was down 20K in that CL trade. It came back all the way to break even. Well, actually, it was a little bit of profit, like maybe like $200 in profit or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
But by that point, there's hope at that point. I'm like, dang, I just came all the way back from holding, being down 20K. And then you was trying to tell me too. It's like, nah, CL don't do that.
CL does not do that. She don't do that. You better be glad you got break even. I mean, like, dude, that like.
No. I didn't get. Oh yeah, you're right. It came back. I didn't get out though. I didn't close it at break even. I ended up losing 12K out of that. And I was like, I'm done. I'm done with her. That hurt my feelings. I still haven't recovered from that.
I was like, dude, see, you better be glad you got break even. Get out. Because CL don't come back. She don't come back.
So I was like, nah, we good. That big drop. And I was trying to go long. It was a huge drop. Mm-hmm. Man, 20K. I was like, oh my God. And then it came back. I was like, yo, we're back. I'm like, nah, if it came all the way back from down there, we definitely go higher.
Nope.
Nah, I should have took my $200 and then. But then I would have been mad if it kept going. Oh, I would have been so mad.
Yeah.
So I guess it took all of that for me to be like, all right, I guess I'll close it. Down 12K. It would have been a lot worse, though. Yeah, it would have been a lot worse if I had held on.
And who got that money
even
back for you?
What? Oh, NQ. NQ, she's always been there for me, even though it's a toxic relationship.
You can come back over here, baby. I'll give you a couple of wins. I won't take all your money this time.
That's right. That's right. Shoot, I sit here. Oh man, I'll sit here and make like 50K in a span of 2 trading weeks, like 10 days, 11 days in the NQ. That's crazy when I'm on point, though. When I get stubborn and get in my ways, we all know how that goes. But I can't believe I did that in my life. That was so stupid. And I was trying to think of the other things, the other factors. The fact that I didn't get no sleep, no quality sleep last night, and all these other things. I'm like, the fact that I showed up here unprepared, I'm just like, wow. That's what happens.
Yeah, that's the NQ for you. So you really can't show up and not be prepared, because I mean, when you look at the charts, it's like, dude, it's so obvious, man. It's like, I don't know what it is about the NQ that just have you so emotionally caught up to where you're just doing foolish shit. Like yesterday, why the fuck was I trying to catch a $200 bounce as the market was clearly going down after it hit resistance? Clearly. I just wanted $200 and I know she could have done it. So I was like, fuck it, we doing it.
You could have caught freaking 20K to the downside.
To the downside, yo. It's crazy. You're like, Yeah,
I know how it be. Well, I just hit my quota for the day. It took forever. I was sitting in drawdown. Whoever still on my stream, they saw all that. But I didn't want to make too much either. Over 4,500. We were able to cut it just at 44.35. These things. Sure. Okay, this one's a little bit slippage, but that's fine. Slippage of the copy.
So, I'm about to end the stream here. I got to go to the meeting. This Friday meeting. I got to go to this crap.
I think this is the run now. Unless they triple top it, I think this is the run.
Yeah, dude, if they get it above this, this is stop run higher, bro. We stop running higher. Like if they haven't dropped it, they're gonna pop it. I mean, it's been, dude, that's just been so consistent. I don't even fight against it for real. So you know what? Honestly, like I said, I don't want to be in this. No, oh my God, NQ, why you do this? I don't know where to put my target. Just tell me where you're going so I can do it. I mean, I do see a little bit of resistance at, okay, so what I'll do is actually put it at 793. I'll put this target at 793. Yeah, because I mean, dude, if they pop this, the next level is going to be 730, and if they pop it above 730, we going. But they might drop it at 730 actually.
Then put it at 725 then.
But then it might go to 790. It might get there. I want to be a part of that.
Nah, that's the drug right there. That's what the NQ does.
All right. Yeah, I'll put it at this golden fib, man. I'll put it at this golden fib at 707. Yeah, I'll put it at the golden fib. I can live with that. That's good. I'll do that.
You're already up 200, over 200 points. Like what?
They can get much higher, baby. It can get much higher.
You want a reverse crash car? That's what you want.
500 points down, 500 points up. Oh man, I wish I'd do. You know what? Like, you know how I was able to stay in that trade for 500 points? You know what I did after? Because when everybody was like, "Sure, you're wrong," dude, I was like, "Fuck it." I just put my damn target all the way down there, and I was like, "Man, fuck it." and I wasn't watching. I wasn't watching it at all. I just went to work, and then this guy was talking to me, and then I think something in the background. I think he was watching like CNBC. It said something about massive crash on the net. Dude, when I looked at the charts, I was like, what? What?
I know you was hype.
You know I was hyped. I was mad. Like, dude, I was mad at like, dude. I wish I had that recorded, man. I wish I did. But when I heard that like that master crash he was watching, whatever the hell he was watching, and I ran to the charts, and that's how you know it was like, yo, that's so crazy. Like out of because I really don't talk to people over the phone. It was just that this particular incident, I had to actually talk to this guy on the phone. And whatever he had playing, well, obviously, well, whatever financial thing in the background, it said it when I was listening. I was like, massive crap. What? 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 I mean, obviously they didn't say massive crash. It said like a some percent drop. And I was like, what? And I went to go look at the charts and I was like, yeah, yeah. And I just sat there and watched. I was like, nah, I need to come back with something tomorrow. I ain't closing this position. I ain't closing it. I left that shit on literally all day. I was like, nah, I'm a cold this shit. Sure, close it. Go ahead.
I will say it's sweeter to the downside, though, man.
It
It's so
is,
much sweeter.
It is, dude.
Like,
Shorts are such more. Oh my god, I love shorting, man. I love it.
the big short too. Because you don't get all this when the market's tanking like it did yesterday in Crash Curry. You don't get all this stuff like right now that's trying to, like these longs are trying to fight and push and get these stuff. No. On the opposite side of it just goes.
Yeah, that's why I would prefer to stay always on the short side if possibly. But I mean, actually, hold on. Give me a second, man. Give me a second and jump to the standing.
Yeah, I'm about to stop my stream. That's it for me. Yeah, we'll come back and finish this out next week. Get these two to the front side. Yeah. All right, y'all. Everybody have a good weekend. I'll see y'all again Monday. Peace.
All right, guys. I'm gonna make the assumption that Smith has ended his stream. All right, guys. I appreciate all that has joined. We definitely had a great day. Definitely a makeup from yesterday. We'll continue to have days like this and try to avoid days like we had yesterday because we definitely don't want to have days like that. But I appreciate those that joined, and we'll do this again on Monday. Peace out.